Hey, good afternoon. This is Rob with St. Catharines Freightliner. I want to introduce you to our new 2017 heavy spec Coronado. This is a glider. It has a factory remanufactured 14-liter Detroit, and it's a 550 horse, 1850 torque. This unit has a double frame, four-wheel diff locks, and those were remanufactured. This came as a brand new truck to us. We put in remanufactured diffs, a remanufactured tranny, and the engine is overhauled by Detroit and put into the truck. This is 14-liter is an option on this. It wasn't a popular engine because it had only come out for a short period of time in the early 2000s, and there wasn't a lot of them made, but they are available in a Detroit. It was before they put the EGR valve on it. It was available in a 550, 1850 torque version, and that's what's inside of here. So I'm going to open up the hood here. This is the Hurd moose bumper with a slam latch option. There's no tools required. You just drop the pin and grab the handle with one finger. And let you have a look at this engine underneath here. So the beauty of a glider is you get a brand new truck with no emission controls, nothing to slow you down. It's fully legal. You can run anywhere in North America except California, and that's only because it doesn't have a DPF. If you have a look here, this is a 14-liter Detroit pre-EGR. You'll see there's no EGR piping. And if you look at the certificate from Detroit, you'll see it's a 550 horse. Okay, so if you look at the truck, a lot of people will ask the question, is it rebuilt? No, it's a brand new truck. Everything on the truck is brand new except for the powertrain. It's going to come with brand new truck warranty for 3 years on the engine, transmission and axles. It comes with 2 years warranty on the injectors and 1 year comprehensive warranty on the truck. If you look here, you'll see we've got the newest Michelin X-Line Energy Z tires with 14,000 front suspension. We'll take a look on the inside here, and you'll see they've added a wet line to it as well. They've got the updated new style Coronado door panels, leather and wood grain steering wheel. I'm going to start this one up. Hop in, turn on some lights, and I'll show you around. Okay, so we've got full diff locks. We've got Bluetooth and Sirius audio. We've got 390K on this one. During our PDI, we do a road test on the truck. We do an alignment, make sure everything is working perfectly before you drive away. And if you look here, this is the mid-roof extra tall version, so I'm 5'10", and you'll see there's certainly plenty of room above my head. We have a Webasto bunk heater back here. We have the upper cabinetry, which is an option. You can order it in a double bed or a single bed with the cabinets. This one has a refrigerator as well. You'll see a little bit of space inside of there. And we'll take a peek underneath the bunk. And you'll see some storage space. You'll see the Webasto, and that's the right side kick panel. We've got some other components still to go onto this truck next. So have a look here. You get a good look at the shot of the interior. Plenty of room. The best part about the glider is you get the best of everything. You get a brand new truck warranty without the hassles of emission controls. So if you're interested in more information, you can give me a call, 844-489-8789, and it's Rob at St. Catharines Freightliner. Thank you. I hope to hear from you soon.